Look at TT. She's trying to teach Mudflap. She's trying to catch water. Mooch, leave Dad Soda alone. Look at her. She's trying to get it. Kristen, I get it. I get it. I get it. I get it. It's mine. Are you trying to show him what you're supposed to do? I don't know what's going on.
Got there so you can get washed?
To know, because they use power washers. That one kind of hurt.
You got some of those too, mamas.
What are you doing? Is all the fun over, TT?
She ain't too impressed.
She was like all jumping and trying to grab the water.
I'm back at the truck now, I guess.
She's like, I have to stop acting like a goober. Oh, the TT loves. The TT
Was
loves.
Mom making stories about you?
Her was all puppy.
Was Mom making stories about you?
Like when she tries to grab the raindrops. Mudflaps listening. He said, what? What's that noise?
What's that? Huh? What's that?
He said, I don't know what that noise is.
What are they doing out there?
He said, TT, what are they
Here, you want to
doing?
look? Come here, you want to look? Look.
He said, wait, there's a guy
Looks
out
like
there.
doing something.
Whoa. Or it wasn't Casey. What are they doing, Flap?
He's really curious what they're
She
doing.
is. He's like, what are they doing? Mom, just clean those. What are you doing? Her yelled at TT for sneezing on the windshield. Oops.
You about fell, didn't you?
He has not mastered the fact that when the door, you see someone come to the door, they open it and whoops, I can fall out.
That's because he ain't fell out yet.
He has not. He's come close.
The other two have learned because they fell out.
You fell out. Remember? I'm pretty sure Daddy caught you, though, doing a whole backflip in the air when you was a little puppy. And Mooch, he fell out. Are you going to sniff the camera?
He's getting cuppy.
He said,
He was.
wait, what? They came closer. What is this they do? I don't know what this is either. But the big dogs like to stand on it. Satellite dish ears. I want to see his reaction when they come over with the sprayer.
He jumped.
He did. Hey, how's that not getting on me? It's Mudflap's first truck wash.
He wasn't too sure about that at first.